Great things soon. In the next few pages, I will reveal how a big mothership can be actually built. It's easier than a medium-sized ship. I'm talking about one like Star Trek. But anyway, I'm talking about a real huge one, and you may think it's harder, but actually it's easier. And I'll explain to you why you have to bear with me, because it's not till the next page or a few pages to come anyway. A smaller version of the mothership, which is the mothership, must be built heavy, because on Earth, where there is gravity, lighter things are controlled and work better. While in orbit, where there is none, it's the opposite. The heavy objects are controlled and work much better. You cannot place a balloon in orbit and make it go fast. Slow, maybe, anyway, but not fast, simply because the no gravity force will not permit controlled so on in force or flight. The medium size need to be from ground Earth to a distance close to the Earth that is far as they fly properly but can fly good elsewhere. The Mothership 1 ship it's like it's located where there is absolutely no gravity. The force of this take off is enormous. So you've got one type of ship that's very much like a balloon, but it's disguised to be a spaceship on the outside. Inside, you've got wings. For example, you can use the wings of a dragonfly to make it work like that and get the effect of a spaceship. It is very much a spaceship, but it works on planets that got gases like oxygen. I'm not sure if you work on other gases, but most likely you will. You can test it. It's very much like a glider. The medium-sized ship, which is one of the motherships, is very much something that has to be done properly to be light, but heavy enough to be controlled and stuff like this, and to be able to get out of the atmosphere. So the small versions of the Dragonfly type of gliders will go into the mothership and fly. The mothership will fly into orbit. Now the big Star Trek one will be talked about later. Hyperspace, when it's made correctly. Okay. Which will be explained how in a minute, okay? But do not build too many of these. The secret is that a child with many toys will play with her favorite one or two and reject the other on the shelf. Although throw away, wasting money, or spend all day learning just to play with toys. Toys are great, but only one a year. Christmas. Now books, other interesting, will not become children's games instead of toys. Okay. The adult, too many belongings never get used. Only the right amount get used, as one or two. If you have too many, money is wasted for nothing, because they will end up in the bin when changed, casted, worn out, so on, even on the shelf, left there to rot. You see, people only use what they want, but they could have a lot more than what they use anyway. But too many materials on Earth not taken to use forms disabled balance of the Earth. Preserve the Earth, or we will die. Go to extinct. Just like the Mother One ship is protected, so as Mother Earth base. Thus, you must take metals only for use when not enough, and more when too many created by nature. So if you've got a lot of metals, you can take a lot. If you've got less, you leave a lot in the earth and take what you need. Give them out if necessary. Help others, don't waste them. Okay. So this is where you need university and beyond. Before it was kid stuff, still is, but once you graduate, 1. So all these shuttles, spaceships, are placed inside each other. Step 1. The real model once, say example what we already learned, this is the stage of model size 1, same smaller, same bigger, same medium, but medium galaxy, category. You also have smaller categories as above, so you can build these different sizes, all 3 versions. Okay, bigger ones, or even extra large ones, or small ones, or whatever, for a bluff of it in enemy attack, if there's, for example, dragonfly type of ones, or the real thing. Thus, outside the galaxy you have or will enter is the major shuttle, but is the one outside the galaxy you are about or did enter it is made similar or same as the one in Star Trek movie. Yes, I lead people created to think a fiction movie or movies to prove I can do the impossible and create it in reality. These also a duplicate one outside our galaxy, and what we learned here, they are also the same shuttle spaceship at the other galaxy one. We will try to do the next page. This is page 63. Actually, we'll stop it and continue in a minute.